So I'm demonstrating a new feature to you in Explain Everything. If I open up a PowerPoint, say in Safari, or I email it to myself and open it up in my iPad, it gives me the option to open it in Explain Everything. And when I click yes, it basically very cleverly places each slide onto each part of an Explain Everything slide, enabling me to talk through every slide without having to do any cutting and pasting or placing photographs onto the interactive whiteboard sort of software called Explain Everything, which is very handy really because I can make a recording of my voice alongside the slides at the same time and give it to the students as a permanent record of what we did in the lesson and what the key points were. If I want, I can record them responding to some of the questions and prompts, or I can simply talk through the lesson to them. The whole thing's not going to take very long at all. So I'm not a RE teacher, but let's just kick off pretending that I am. Is there a God? So we started the lesson with a simple connector question, is there a God? And asked the students to respond to that. Now, if I wanted to be a bit clever, I could have sent them a SurveyMonkey link and very quickly put the responses up on the board, just to add that little bit of wow factor to what we're doing. So we'll now move on to the next slide, but you won't see this really. You're going to see a YouTube version of what I'm doing. Now, I've placed that right in the middle. So what we're doing today is believing in God. It's the first unit, and we're going to start off with all our ground rules. So once again, I'd like to remind the students that all behaviour is a choice. You're responsible for the way you behave. And then we're going to get some sort of business out of the way. The homework is to complete the cover page and revise the key worksheet ready for the next lesson. Right, big picture then, what we're looking at is an introduction to the course, okay, and to the idea of why people believe. All right, skills for today will focus on self-assessment and literacy. There'll be discussion, we want you to think in pairs, we want you to share, and we'll look at an exam-style question. So, by the end of this lesson, I'm hoping that every single one of you will know the unit specification and how to achieve levels. And all of you must know at least 3 reasons why people believe in God. Now, some of you might be able to go on further to explain 3 different reasons why people believe in God, and perhaps a few of you will be able to evaluate your own reason for why they believe in God. Okay, so that's the purpose really of me. I won't go through the rest of the lesson, but it's showing you how easy really it is to provide audio with your PowerPoint presentations through Explain Everything. So iPad users, why not take advantage of this and see other students respond to it. Certainly I think it would be a very, very good support, to add text to your PowerPoints is quite powerful, and what Explain Everything does is enable you to do it with very little work other than what you say involved, which is ideal really. Okay, bye for now.